Boom. We back. Listen, slight dilemma, but I'm back in action. It's okay. It's all good. It works out. I have been taking requests on these combinations, on these looks, or what you need help with. Let me know. Drop it down below, and we can make a little tutorial or something. So, a friend reached out, said that she was having trouble with this type of blend, which is pretty much that halo situation, halo eye. So we're gonna get into this halo eye. Okay. Today we're using Juvia's Place. I've been on a Juvia's Place like bender for some reason, I think. I don't know. Palettes, foundation, lipsticks. I just really been feeling Juvia's Place lately. Well, the Masquerade Mini is what we're using. To start off, we're gonna go in with, I think that's Burkina. Y'all know I be butchering these names. Look, I don't know why they do me like this, but it's okay. So we're gonna go in first with that one. As I said before, we are using this left hand over here, so bear with me because it's definitely a little different. So once we got that one, we're gonna go in with this color right here in behind it. So basically it's gonna be like a chaser. Made a joke without making a joke. That way you can deepen up that part. Now for this look, I find that it's a little easier starting out to do a cut crease. Simply because with the halo, you can place it exactly where you need it to be and not worry about it getting all muddy when it comes to blending it up towards your brow bone. And let the truth come through. No one can hurt you now because you know it's true. And I believe in me, so you can feel in you. Help me sing it. Moving on to that next base, where we're gonna do our cut crease with the P. Louise. And what is this called? I don't even know, y'all. Give me a second. What is it called, y'all? Dark Side, my bad. And you see right there, this is the one we're gonna use because it really makes these colors right here pop. So when it comes to like shimmers, metallics, all of that good jazz, like pigments, this black is popping. I really like this black. So the way I discovered that, I mean, I had seen it, but I was scared. And one day I got in here with that Duchess Club Galaxy stack. And that thing had me looking beautiful, y'all. I ain't stopped using it since. I used it for that and which one is it? Gold Digger. Ooh, it makes them so freaking pretty. I mean, they pretty anyway, but you know. What is my jam? Masquerade as I got things to fly. Make sure you look up. Boom. Boom. Okay. Boom. Light it. I want to let y'all know that my right eye is my bad eye. I should have did that one for the demo tutorial. Because now I'm sitting here trying to see. And the struggle is real because it looks blurry from this right side. Shoot. Alright, so once we get that situated, I want to do it with my right hand so bad. We're not doing it. We're not doing it. Okay, let's get into it. Okay. This is when we get into these up here. To start, we're using this blue. Then we're going to transition to this green right here. Let me make sure y'all can see them colors right there. And then I'm going to this one. And that's our middle color right there. So we're pretty much using this whole palette for everything except that outer corner. Because we're going to use this one from the Nomad. We're going to revisit. Flat brush. Boom. Boom. And we're going to start off with that blue. With the blue, you don't want to put it all the way over to that corner because you see right here, you have that deep piece. You want to do the same over here. So you're going to actually start it over just a little bit. I need some more of this eyeshadow. So you're going to start right here. All right. Once you get that blue, we're going to go in with the green. All right, we got those in place. So we're gonna go in with that dark brown from the Nomad. Oh, hold up. From the Nomad palette right here. And we just gonna take that and put it on the outside. Blend it towards the inside. And go in above it. So you can darken that blue. And blend that outer corner out. And right here, I'm only taking this color up on my brow bone area. You don't want to mix all of your colors in because then it gets muddy. For our foundation, first off, let's go in with this concealer, which is the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer. It look like this. Okay, look like that. Yeah, my nails is like still getting used to it. My nails is all babyish. With this concealer, we got a love-hate relationship. Look at we're gonna stay in the family of Makeup Revolution. Oh snap, hold up. With the fast base foundation stick. So boom. There we go. And this is in the color F12. So here we're just gonna circle that back over there. So Black Radiance. Okay. For contour. That's the hard two. I feel like honestly this one is my favorite. These two. And I think I'm gonna go with this one today. I'm gonna go ahead and hit that blush with that cutie pop brush. Ah, look, it's so daggone cute. Look at that. I love her bristles. Okay, pay attention, focus. All right, so we going in with B. Cause it just seems like it's right. Well, now that we're done with that blush, we're gonna go in with our highlighter because we still need some of that right there on that cheek. Spruce up a little bit, y'all know how we do. Masquerade palette to go underneath that lash. Mascara. And we done, baby. Okay. For underneath the eye, we're gonna go in with, hold up. There it is. Zulu. Simply because I just want a contrasting color. I lied. We're going in with Ada, Ada. I think we're going in with both. So we're gonna switch up hands. I'm now on the right hand because I gotta get this just right.